Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to update software version on your earbuds. So open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Then go to the settings at the middle top, and right here scroll down. At the bottom we have firmware update. Firmware is the same as software, so click on it. It checks for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, I recommend it to turn off dual connection if you have it enabled. So in the application you need to also go to the settings, and right here we have dual connection. So just disable it and check, maybe fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to unpair these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, at the back side of your earbuds, under the LED light, we have touch areas. You need to press 5 times at the both of these touch areas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the LED light should blinking white 5 times. After that, if you have Android at the top, click pair new device, and after that just tap at your earbuds at the device list, because it should enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. So click on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.